Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Java.lang class object references. So in how many ways we can get the object reference of a class whose name is also class, which is mainly used in Reflection API in Java. So what is this Reflection API in Java, which is used with class, which is also a class and belongs to java.lang package. So Java reflection, it is a process of description of a class and its contents during runtime. It means that what does a class contain, whether it is a class or interface or enum, how many data members are there, what are the data members, how many methods are there, what are the methods, how many constructors are there, what are the constructors. So to get the reflection of a class, we have to use reflections in Java, and this is available through java.lang package, and it contains a class whose name is also a class. And this class provides different methods using which we can get metadata about a class. We can examine the class. We can also change the runtime information of a class. Right. So if we see the description of the class, Java p -public java.lang.class. So open the command prompt, go to the working directory and issue this command. So it is a final class. Right. So it provides different methods using which we can get the runtime information about a class, like get name, what is the name of the class, get module, the class belongs to which module. So get package name, the class belongs to which package name. And we can also get runtime information about a class, whether it is an anonymous class, local class, or something like whether it is a enum, etc. Like you can also get all the fields, data members, all the methods, and all the constructors. Right. So this is not our concern. So what is the advantage of this reflection? So reflections are mainly used by developers for debugging the program, and it's also used in testing tools for testing your application. And how to get the object reference of this class whose name is also a class? So we can get the object reference of class in three ways. First one, for name method. It is a static method which is available in class. Okay, so it loads our class and gets the reference of class. And get class method, which is available in object class. It is available in object class of java.lang package. So java.lang package. So in this class also we have get class method using which we can get the object reference of class. And we can also get the object reference of class using class name dot class syntax. Right. So if we see the description of object class, it goes like this: Java p -public java.lang.object. Right. So open the command prompt, go to your working directory and issue this command. Right. So here we have get class whose return type is class, which belongs to java.lang package, and we can use the class method to get the reflection of that particular class. So let us try to demonstrate these three ways to get the object reference of class. So Java reflection class object reference example 1. Okay, we'll take this as example 1. Right, so take a new page. So first we'll write comments at the beginning of the program. So I'm taking one class sample, and this class, it is a dummy class, body without any statements. So we just want to get the reference of class for this sample class. So take the main class with main method. So main method is propagating an exception. So whenever you are using for name method, will get class not found exception. So in that situation, we have to use try catch. So instead of using try catch, I'm propagating this exception back to the JVM. Right, so first case, it goes like this. So let us use the static method for name from class. So class dot static method for name sample. So sample is a class which is defined in our program. Right, so it loads sample class in our program and it returns an object reference of class. So store that in C1. So C1 dot get name, it will return sample class. So save this, come to the command prompt. Right, so compile the program. Java reflection class object reference example1 dot java. So no error, and then run it. So get name class. So this is how we have to get the reference of class. Right, so next we can also get the reference of class using get class method, but before that we have to create an object of sample class. Sample obj is equals to new sample, and object class is a super class for all the classes, so all the methods of objects classes can be used in any subclass. So our class sample object dot get class, it returns class object reference variable. So store that in C2 and print C2 dot get name. So save this, recompile, and then no error, run it. So sample is a class name. Next, we can also get the object reference of class using dot class syntax. So what is our class name? Sample dot class. It will give the object reference of class, store that in C3 and print C3 dot get name. So it should give the answer as sample. So save this, recompile, and then run. So this is what is sample. So this is how we have to work with class object reference variables in 3 ways. So that is what is all about class object references in Java reflections. So using reflections, we can get the runtime information about any class which is used in Java programming. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.